Hey there and welcome back to another episode of T&Z's Adventures. We're in Lima, Peru, and we're about to hit the SkyKitchen. Yeah. For Peruvian cooking classes. What are we supposed to make?
Ceviche, I don't know, some rice stuff. I have no clue, but so, we're gonna let you know what's on the menu.
We're also a little bit afraid that the fish is gonna be fishy. But we're gonna test it and see what happens.
Yes.
Well, we found the SkyKitchen. We're currently on the roof. He is preparing for us. And it's back there behind my head. I'll give you a little look through, but we wanted to check out this view for a second. So, kind of nice. You can't look over the edge because it makes her nervous. But it doesn't make me nervous. I could probably jump up on this orange thing right here and walk, but I think she'd kind of freak out.
I mean,
gives you goosebumps? Here, do a walkthrough. Give us a lead in here.
Well, I don't know. I guess that's gonna be our station.
Yeah.
Where we're gonna be chopping up stuff. It's a wonderful chef.
Little host, dude.
Ooh, we get to pick our own aprons. Or is it 4 people maybe?
You can already choose an apron. And
yeah, she's too excited about what color she's gonna have.
Pink.
Let me see you, my little chef.
Yes, I know. Don't be jealous.
Excited?
Super excited to show off my Chef Ramsay cooking skills.
Ooh, Chef Z.
Ramsay.
Oh, that's pretty clever.
So the most typical one is this one, quebranta. Quebranta, that's not the brand, but it's a kind of grape. Grape is called quebranta. There are also other brands, other kinds of grapes. One, for example, is called Italia. That's why people always come to my class and ask me why they're selling so much Italian pisco here in the store. It's not Italian pisco, it's
just
a
the
grape.
name. Okay.
It's a grape. And one part, 3 parts of pisco. So pisco sour is pretty strong. You don't notice it often because of all the sugar. Because either no drop comes out or 5 drops at once. Yeah,
there you go, that's pretty perfect.
Like a little tip, you really have to lift and lower the bottle for every drop, really like this. When you try to do it like this,
it's too many.
That doesn't work. The recipes, Peruvians often like it very sweet, they often increase the sugar level, but the original one is like this. Salud!
Cheers!
Cheers!
Well.
Oh my god, this is so good. Very good.
Yeah.
And it's not strong, isn't it? A dough for bread, so we add flour little by little. That's regular all-purpose flour. The Andes, it's white because a fungus has grown on top and through the potato, basically like a camembert. And this dehydrated potato, you can store it for 20 years if you want.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Today we will use the so-called yellow potato, papa amarilla mostly, and add a little bit of white potato. I got it at warm the potato up a little bit.
Freeze dried and in the river. That's crazy.
Oh, you should have did it. Okay, I thought we had to do
And that's the chicken stock I received. We don't need the chicken stock right now, but in Peru you would never waste chicken stock. So when later in the class, magically out of nowhere, some chicken stock comes in.
Tell us about the avocado, babe.
What about it? Oh, you can peel it.
Yeah, like
really fast and really good. Not like ours.
It's like a banana. So
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that smearing technique there.
Yes. There we
Wow.
go. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Alright, we'll do a volcano looking thing. There we go. How about that? I'll do another one on that side.
Good.
Alright. All the hard work.
Yep. Look at that.
Dish number 1.
Oil.
Alright.
Just, yeah, until it's covered a bit more.
Good.
Yeah, good.
Alright.
2 cloves of garlic.
Squeeze it.
Yeah.
Oh Lord, that's like...
There you go. And now you just use a spatula, cut it off. That's good. Now you just stir it a little bit. You've got previously rinsed rice. Just rinse it in cold water twice to wash off the starch. It's Peruvian long grain rice, so any kind of long grain rice is cooked very similar.
Don't wet.
Let it burn. Alright, we got some water. We're good now.
Made with lime juice and salt, it comes out really like sour salty. That's why most restaurants add more ingredients to reduce the acidity. We've got different options. Every restaurant has their own little like secrets or what they add. But 2 common things is to add a little bit of fish stock. So just like the chicken stock that we've got there, but made with the fish heads and fish bones, with also onion, garlic, celery. I think in everything that is close to the seeds.
Yeah. Oops, I didn't put the screw in it. Wow, that's cool though that it's black on the inside.
I know.
It's called rocoto. Buy at the market, so you don't decide it at home, but you go to the market and then you have to find out which fish came in today and which fish is laying around at the fish vendor's place for too long already.
Yeah.
And we also do not just buy the fillets. We always choose the whole fish, because when you see the whole fish, you've got more ways to find out how fresh it really is, because then you can squeeze it. A little bit different from the ones you have in the Caribbean. Typically you choose a fish that is lean, that is not too fatty, for the classic ceviche. There are also specialty ceviches that use other fish, but generally lean fish like a mahi-mahi, you can use sole, you can use snapper, you can use halibut.
I'm gonna set it for you to cut so you can film.
And once you've cut the fish, you can put it into your bowl and wash your hands. Actually, we've got sinks over there in that corner. Just turn the... One double spoon of that. This comes a little. Yes, then 2 level teaspoons of lime juice, a pinch of cilantro, not too much. I know that especially Mexicans add lots of cilantro to their ceviche, but not Peru. Now, first of all, we add 1 or 2 of these, and then with a spoon, you kind of smash it a little bit to get kind of some flavor out. Then a little bit of pepper.
Fish stock.
And stir it.
Okay.
You should move your fish to one side of your bowl. I will give you 1 teaspoon of evaporated milk, and you have to stir really quickly in this little space so that the milk doesn't curdle like
Oh,
this.
wow.
You see that? What actually happens is the milk actually curdles, but the milk flakes are so small that you cannot see it with your eyes.
Wow.
So when we're very close, we'll see. Already start with little micro movements. Exactly. That's it. So, I actually just use like a kind of a soup plate because then it's nicer. You can serve all of the marinade. You don't spread the fish all around the plate, but you try to pile it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
These are these kind of restaurant tricks because then it looks much more when you build it up a little bit high.
Make a tower.
So, for example, I have got a smaller portion than yours, but when I do it like this, it doesn't look that small at all.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Just in 2 pieces. And yeah. And then it goes into this bowl, and then you can wash your hands. So, and just stir it.
My serious face. Serious cooking face. You ready?
Not yet.
What are you going to do?
Don't mess it up.
Do not mess it up.
As RuPaul says, don't F it up.
Oh, do not.
Let me see your donut.
I need more of a rice. I don't want to.
This is the one we're making now. Oh, it's that.